Every time I don't touch it. Every time I don't touch my screen. She kind of bad though. Okay, y'all. I don't know if you can hear me, but we just got to Jamaica. We're in one of those vans right now that take you to the airport, the hotel, wherever you want to go. We about to go to KFC because I've been craving Caribbean KFC for dumb long. The KFC in Trinidad is so good. So yeah, I'm about to talk to y'all later because it's mad weird over here still. But alright. So guys, we just got to the hotel, bitch, and let me tell y'all, y'all not even ready. Like, let me tell y'all, I feel like you could tell from the door that it's just a hotel, you feel me? I feel like people on YouTube won't like me because they be like, this bitch is like loose, like just missing shit in her head. Okay, here's the door. Period, me too, Pete. And then you have like the fridge and stuff. I didn't even mean to toss the fridge open like that. Mind you, is this this is Amara. Hi, it's me. Period. Here's the bathroom, bitch. Like, could I even curse on YouTube? Look at this bathroom. There's the toilet. There is the bathtub. Period. Here is another mirror. And this is a shower. Wow, y'all. I'm just so, oh my God. Y'all, the money that I paid for this, there's some closets we could put our shoes and like clothes. The money that I paid for this, look at the City Girl shirt. Shout out JT and Miss Carisha Girl. Hey guys, it's Tuesday. 10:19 a.m. Currently eating breakfast. It's our second day out here. I didn't vlog much yesterday, but we went to KFC. We had dinner. I'll probably insert like clips and stuff like that if I do have. But yeah, I hope you guys can hear me. But yeah, I'm just eating right now. In a couple minutes, we're gonna go to a raft or something like that. I forgot what I booked, but yeah. It's super nice. I gotta finish the room tour. I've been trying to get like mousse and stuff like that for my hair and like lotion and stuff like that, but I guess the hotel doesn't sell any. Guess I'll be ashy. But yeah, I'm probably gonna do that later today too. After the rafting. Just do that. And yeah. Alright guys, hey, oh, what's going on? Oh, they locked it? Hey guys, I'm back. We did the whole rafting tour. It was amazing. It was just so beautiful. Like, words can't even describe like how beautiful the experience was. Like, I just so happy. And it was like an hour and a half, and like I had some rum punch, girl. But right now, that was like 10 a.m. Like, we did that super early. Right now, I can't remember what time it is, but we're about to go to the pool, get something to eat, chill in a cabizo and stuff like that. We're just gonna chillax till it's dinner time. But yeah, that's it. Everything's super fun. I'm trying to vlog more, but like when you're having fun, you're not worried about vlogging or anything. So that's that. So sorry if I don't vlog enough, but understand I'm in Jamaica on vacation. I'm not trying to think about vlogging so much. But I'm glad I'm doing this so it captures memories and stuff like that. But yeah, about to go to the pool. Fun fact, you can see the pool by our room. So we're about to go over there, or the beach probably. So guys, we're here at the beach. We're here at the beach. Yeah, we're here at the beach. So guys, we're on the beach. Oh my god, I look so dark. But yeah, it's hot. We've been walking around. We're gonna take some Polaroids. And yeah. Look at my tan, y'all. Oh my god. Yeah, we're just chilling on the beach, not doing anything. I don't know what else to vlog because I don't be doing nothing, y'all. But here's the beach. It's so hot. I'm getting tan. I feel good though. And yeah, life is great. Okay.
That's what you want me to do?
Sure. Stop talking in this Jamaican accent. That shit is annoying.
What? Girl, you're
Stop.
You're dressed right up.
Stop. Guys, it's about to be 9 o'clock. And we're about to head to dinner. What did we do today? We went to the beach today. That was really it. We're about to do dinner. And let's just say we'll see what else happens. Hey guys, okay, we went to dinner, right? And then we took pictures on the stairs or whatever. I come back and look at what I come back to. I wish you guys could see, but the lights were off. But I'll turn the lights on in a second. But look. Look at what I come back to. Y'all. I am so happy. Like, I was so cute. And then we even got like this bottle of champagne. But yeah, that was cute. Yeah, that was mad cute. Like, I have no words. So yeah, I'm about to go hop in the bath. I'm kind of naked right now. And yeah, and pour some champagne. And yeah, I don't even know what else to say. How do you vlog? And yeah, I'll see you guys later or tomorrow, I guess. I hope you guys can hear me because I'm not trying to talk any louder. My throat hurts. I'm tired. I'm homesick. I want to go home. I can't wait to go home tomorrow. Yeah, probably not gonna do much today. Just gonna chill around in the hotel once again. Or maybe I get to go on a boat today. Who knows? I want to go on a boat. But yeah, very chill day. Don't want to do anything crazy because we have to catch our flight tomorrow. Our COVID test came back negative, so we're all cleared. I just have to do the form for Delta. And then yeah, that's really much it. That's pretty much it, I should say. It's 12:49. I don't know if I said that before, but it's 12:49 p.m. And yeah, I'm feeling all vibrant. All of that. Yeah, this trip has been fun though. Like, it's been fun and relaxing. I know it may seem like we didn't do much, but that's also because like on vacation, like I don't know how people could vlog like every single thing that they're doing. Like, how do you get to enjoy it? But yeah, it's been mad relaxing. But I can't wait to get back home, edit this vlog, edit the vlog before that. It's about to be so much fucking work. And yeah, I'm ready to just be home and be peaceful because I'm tired. Like, I don't know. This vacation didn't tire me out. I'm just like tired. I don't know how to explain it. But yeah, New York City is calling my name. Gotta go back. But we'll be back tomorrow then. Alright, so also this morning we had like breakfast in bed. It was super good. Didn't film that because I was like halfway asleep. But yeah, that was cool. This hotel is so nice. But yeah, that's all I had to talk about. So Good morning. It is Sunday, the last day that we will be in Jamaica. It is 10 o'clock. Our flight leaves at like 1. The hotel has like the bad guy, coming up here to like take our bags downstairs, whatever. I'm super tired, super sad to go. This trip was amazing. And yeah, today's Mother's Day. So happy Mother's Day to everybody that's a mother or a mother to be. I spoke to my mother earlier, and yeah, I'm gonna see her when I get back. We land around like 6 o'clock. That's what they say, but I'm pretty sure it'll be earlier. But yeah, that's really it. I'm kind of tired because it's still kind of early. I'm trying to drink my coffee. The hotel coffee isn't that good, but yeah. So I'll be back home soon. Hey guys. Yes, it's been about a week. I've been back from Jamaica. It was such a well-needed vacation. Everything was fine. I know the footage wasn't consistent because like I said, I was on vacation, so I wasn't gonna just concentrate on vlogging. But regardless, everything was fun. If you have any questions of where I stayed, how I booked it, COVID testing, anything like that, let me know in the comments. Leave a like if you enjoyed the video. Share this with your friends. And yeah, I will see you guys in the next video.
Overflowing at my wallet. I can't catch a break. I know that all these bitches want